My people, see the ongoing construction of the Abakpa New Market Expressway. This is towards the Abakpa Junction. As you can see that this road is concrete road. It's concrete road that they're building here. As you can see, this is the second lane here, and it is beside this Mami Market. So you can see how thick the concrete is. I was coming back from inspection and I decided to give us this update that we saw as we were coming back. Now the one lane of this road has been completed. This is the second lane that is coming out to Abakpa Junction, and this is the current update on this road right now. So we are now here at Abakpa Junction proper, where they are drilling, and they are, from the rumors that we're hearing, they're going to be a flyover in this location. Okay guys, now before I go, I want to show you this property that is currently selling in this MNS side. It is as you know, I'm a realtor here in the city of Enugu, and there's this property I want to show you. It's selling for 50 million naira besides a nursing factory here in MNS. So let me show you this property.
Sunshine Layout Enugu, located behind nursing MNS. Sunshine Layout offers the perfect blend of affordability and tranquility. This 500 square meter tableland is located in a serene environment, providing a perfect setting for your dream home. It is affordable, meet all your housing needs. It is for residential purposes only. Tableland for easy building. It has deed of assignment and irrevocable power of attorney.
So as you're seeing this video, call me right now. Let me help you secure your plots in this estate.